Hi, Patrick from Jotform here to show you how to schedule appointments online with our new appointment field. To add it to your form, go to Form Elements and select the appointment field. Customize appointment length and intervals to set up the perfect appointment calendar for your medical practice or business. You can choose different intervals for different days of the week and account for lunch breaks. You can even set start and end dates for your new schedule, or choose an appointment type to restrict bookings to one person or a larger group. Once you've updated your settings, publish the form or embed it in your website to start accepting appointment bookings online. Users can then fill in your form and choose the time slot that works best for them. Once they submit the form, their selected time slot will become unavailable to future users. To view new appointment bookings, go to your Jotform inbox. Each booking will be stored as a new form submission. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe for more form building tips and tutorials.